Good morning, everyone. I, Anirudh Kamath, and my classmate Ahana Gupta are going to present our project Soil Hero and Planeteer Rover. We both, studying in Amity International School, Vasundhara Sector 6, have developed this Soil Hero app and Planeteer Rover. I majorly contributed in the development of our app and rover, and Ahana conducted an extensive research on the topic and also designed the rover. First, let us understand how all this started. For the last few decades, due to commercialization of agriculture, farmers shifted from organic means of farming to partial or complete artificial and chemical based agriculture. From fertilizers to pesticides, nowadays every process of agriculture requires chemicals. But unknowingly, these farmers have reduced their field's soil quality to large and irreversible extent. After researching on these topics and conducting surveys, we understood that we need a system which can test the soil physically and chemically, analyze the results, and then identify the deficient nutrient. We also wanted to develop a rover which can add required nutrients to the soil and replenish it again. So, with these objectives, we developed the Soil Hero app and the Planeteer rover. Before developing our project, we first collected soil samples from 4 distant places in India and tested them in the chemistry laboratory of a school. After all the tests, we found that only the soil sample 2 was fit for use, but still not in a good condition. You can see the results of the tests on the screen. We also conducted a survey to test awareness among people and to find the difficulties they face while maintaining their home garden. Apart from this, we also interviewed our school's gardener, and he said that implementation of our model would be very useful for all the farmers and gardeners. Now, it is time to introduce our Soil Hero app and the Planeteer rover. As you can see on the screen, the Soil Hero app has many preset questions. Answering these questions would give the farmer a complete comprehensive analysis of the soil and tell him that the soil is deficient of which all nutrients and how can he add them. Now coming to the rover. Our Planeteer rover picks up soil using the hoe hand and puts it on the moving conveyor belt. As the soil moves in the rover, required biofertilizers, neem oil, which acts as a biopesticide, and water fall into the soil. As the soil reaches the other end, it falls on the ground while getting mixed in a mixer. This is the cost breakup of our rover. The complete rover was developed in less than 7,500 rupees and our app was developed with zero expenses. Now, let us understand the salient features of our app and rover. Our app is completely free and user-friendly, specially designed for poor and illiterate farmers for testing the soil in all aspects. On the other hand, the soil testing kits available in the market are expensive and can only test the soil for a few criteria. The Planeteer rover is developed in under 7,500 rupees and is portable with zero carbon emissions. The machines in the market are as big as a room and are very expensive. Another unique feature of a rover is that it plows the soil alongside manuring it. Our target customers are mainly farmers who are illiterate and can't operate modern technological machines and are below the poverty line, so can't afford these technologies or enough resources for efficient farming. Our project is closely linked with 3 SDG goals, which are Goal 7, affordable and clean energy, since our project is completely running on electricity, Goal 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure, because our model is the first of its kind in the agriculture sector, and Goal 15, life on land, because we are encouraging the use of biofertilizers, which is actually beneficial for the land and the ecosystem living on it. Now, we hope you have understood our complete project. So before ending the video, let us see what further upgrades we want to make in the app and the rover. In the near future, we will make the rover completely automatic and integrate the pH sensor mechanism in it. We want to create a multilingual interface in our app so it can be used by all the farmers easily. In future, we will also develop a soil monitoring system so that the farmer can monitor his field 24/7. So, with this, we would like to end this video and we hope that a soil hero becomes the next and the best hero of the future. Thank you.